Happy day to all of you. In this video, I would like to share with you several matter. That's why this video will be helpful for you. You can watch my full English video. Without any topic, how can I practice English every day? How can I make a video without any topic? First of all, I want to share with you, I have been working in my field for 5 hours. That's why I'm feeling so exhausted. I'm feeling so tired. I'm working hard in my field by this hoe. Its name hoe. If you want, you can call it hoe. Its long wooden handle. It is so interesting for us. It is a agricultural product. It is a agricultural tool. When I need this hoe, that time I try to take this hoe from my house. It is so important for our daily life. Alongside, as you can see, it has half bottle water. I have taken 1 bottle water from my house. I have eaten water. That's why it has half bottle water. It doesn't matter because I'm feeling so thirsty. Right now I'm sitting down beside this multitude trees. It is my elder uncle's field. Alongside, I want to share with you, behind me, this is a multitude field, as well as it has some pumpkin trees in that field. For that, I'm sharing this matter. Today, I will tell you practically I practice English like this way. Without any topic, I make English video every day. You can describe your daily activities. You can describe what you see around you.